Hey everyone, welcome back to Liz Does Travel. I wanted to share a trip I took to Hawaii for my cousin-in-law's wedding. We stayed at the villas on the Ritz Carlton property, which was definitely the way to go. I wanted to give you guys a little tour of the villa that we got. The Ritz has these villas on property, which is amazing. We were so surprised at how big it is. So we have our little kitchen, this super sick view. Whoa, if I can get this door open. Okay, not right either. Oh, I'll just show you outside from a different way. We have one bathroom in here, with a shower and everything, and our room, and our view. Adam loves golfing, so him and the fam are out golfing right now. But he called me like a few minutes ago and was like, come out on the balcony. So I watched them play a little bit. It was so windy you literally cannot hear anything I'm saying, but Adam went down to golf, so I walked to get myself some breakfast before laying out at the pool. I'm pretty sure I was the only person that forgot to bring sunglasses. We were there for a wedding, so that night was the rehearsal dinner. We had a delicious dinner with a gorgeous view and some very, very yummy cocktails. The next day was the wedding, and let me tell you, my hair and I were very scared for the humidity. The day after the wedding, we had a few cabanas rented, and we had some much needed R&R by the pool. Another crazy short trip. We're already back at the airport. We didn't even make it to the beach, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time.